In this video, I'm going to show you how to use HeroFX. This is going to be a quick guide on how to navigate their portal, their dashboard over here, so just stick with me if you want to know. Here, the first button on the left you have is the wallet. So inside the wallet, you can see your balance, and whenever your account is verified, you'll be able to go ahead and deposit funds, withdraw them, or do an internal transfer. Okay, so here you can also see your in and out requests. You can search them. You can basically go ahead and search by operation or search by status, and you can also see the internal transfers as well for your account. Okay, this is the first thing. The second one is accounts, where you basically have to complete your KYC to be able to actually open up real accounts, or you can open up a demo account anytime by just clicking demo account over here, and you can go ahead and just create one very easily, either for TradeLocker or for MT5. Okay, now after you've done that, of course, down here you can see your active accounts for TradeLocker, MT5, and your demo accounts. And up here you can also download different platforms, which is available on this button down here, which goes hand in hand. Here you also have the deposit button. You can just click on that. You have to basically select a method to deposit, and you can go ahead and deposit some money on here. I have a tutorial on that on my channel as well, so you can watch that if you want to know. Here you have an internal transfer, so you have to select the recipient account and then you can send internally. Here you can withdraw, which I also have a tutorial on my channel. Here you can see there's the trading platforms, which I just opened earlier. You can go ahead and see what all they offer, and you can basically find the one you want, click on open, or basically just go to their website and download it to your computer, and that's going to work as well. You also have your partnerships over here, where you can join their partnership program to get their personalized partnership conditions, and you can become a partner by clicking this button over here. And you can also read news articles they posted. You can see their calendar over here, and a bunch of things like that. And then down here you also have the option to contact support and create a new issue ticket. You can also click on this button down here, bottom right, to basically talk with the HeroFX AI assistant, and of course any issues or questions you have, you can ask it over here and it's going to answer right away. Up here you also have the open website button, which what this will do is it's going to basically open up your home page over here, so kind of the main dashboard button. Here you can see your wallet balance, and then up here you can contact support. You can see your notifications up here, and here is your account. You can go ahead and verify. You can find your ID, your security code. You can set your language if you want to switch from English to Spanish, or you can sign out of the account as well. So that's pretty much how to use HeroFX. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.